Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing succeeds quickly. Turn Bluetooth on your watch and phone and set the watch to discoverable. That lets the phone actually see it. Make sure battery is adequate and Bluetooth flight mode is off. Once done, open the phone's Bluetooth settings and keep that screen active. Some watches require you to confirm a pairing code immediately. If a code appears, compare digits and accept on both devices to proceed with the secure connection. You now handle the pairing dialog and permission grants. Tap your watch's name on the phone's list. A numeric code should display on both screens. Verify and accept to complete pairing. Next, grant permissions the companion app requests, such as notifications, contacts, or media access, because those enable features like call relay and music control. If the watch needs a vendor app for settings or updates, install it and sign in. Make sure to follow any on-screen calibration or profile steps to finalize functionality. Finish by testing core features. Play audio, receive a notification, and control media to confirm end-to-end Bluetooth operation. If something misbehaves, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then forget the device in both phone and watch Bluetooth menus and repair. That resolves most mismatches. If pairing repeatedly fails, restart both devices and check for OS and watch firmware updates. As a last resort, reset network settings or perform a factory reset on the watch, only after backing up watch data to fully clear persistent connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.